Welcome to our channel VD Maths Academy. In this video we are going to see about radius of convergence. It is important topic for many competitive exams. The radius r of the circle. If we consider the circle, its radius r is known as radius of convergence. By Cauchy theorem for the power series summation an z power n, the radius of convergence r is given by using Cauchy theorem. We have two formulas for finding the radius of convergence. First formula is 1 by r equal to limit n tends to infinity modulus an whole power 1 by n. Second one is 1 by r equal to limit n tends to infinity modulus an plus 1 divided by an modulus. This is the two formula we have to use for finding the radius of convergence. If they are asked to find the radius of convergence of the series, we have to use these two formulas. According to the given series, we want to use these two formulas. Next one. Now if we draw a circle of radius r, we are drawing a circle of radius r with the center at the origin. The center is at the origin. Then we see two conditions. First one, the power series summation an zn is convergent. The series will be convergent if for every z lies within this circle. The z values lies within the circle, then we can say the series is convergent. The power series summation an zn is divergent for every z outside this circle. If it lies outside the circle, the z value lies outside the circle, then we can say that the series is divergent. Thus, this circle, modulus of z equal to r. If modulus of z value is equal to r, then we can say it is circle of convergence. And its radius is called the radius of convergence of the power series summation an zn. We can see some note regarding the radius of convergence. First note is the series is convergent. When we can say the series is convergent means if modulus of z value is less than r, then we can say that the given series is convergent. If the series is divergent, then we can say the modulus value will become modulus of z greater than r. This modulus value will be greater than r. R is known as radius. A power series converges or diverges on the boundary of the circle. On the boundary of the circle, the series may be convergent or divergent. We can see summary of that theory part. Summation an zn is convergent. This is power series. This series is convergent means when within the circle of for every z. If it is within the circle, then we can say this series is convergent. If it is convergent means then the modulus of z value should be less than r. Divergent means two conditions. One is that lie outside the circle. The z value lies outside the circle and then modulus of z value will be greater than r. This is the two important summary point of the radius of convergence. One is the power series is convergent if modulus of z value is less than r and it lies within the circle. Then summation an zn is divergent if the value of z lies outside the circle, then modulus of z value is greater than r. Then we can say it is divergent. We can see one example problem regarding radius of convergence. Then you can easily understand the previous theory part easily. We can solve one problem regarding radius of convergence. They have given the problem, that is integral e power z divided by z square plus 4 into dz, where c from modulus of z minus I equal to 2. This is known as radius. This is known as center. In this problem, we have to find the value of z. So, z square plus 4 equal to 0. We want to equate the denominator term equal to 0. On taking plus 4 to the right hand side, it becomes z square equal to minus 4. Then z square, I square value is minus 1. This minus 1 can be written as I square. This minus value is written as I square. Then z square equal to I square 2 square. On taking square root on both sides, it becomes z equal to plus or minus I2. Then z value is z equal to I2 minus I2. This is the value of the z. Now we can substitute the z value in the given circle, that is z minus I equal to 2. This is the given circle C from modulus of z minus I equal to 2. This is the value of the radius. Here the value of the radius is 2. Then on substituting the value of z equal to plus 2i, z equal to I2. Then we can get 2i minus I equal to 2. It becomes I equal to 2. Modulus of I value is 1. So then it becomes 1 less than 2. Here this is the value of z, this is the value of r. Then we can say that modulus of z value is less than r. According to that, it is convergent. According to the given condition, then we can say that the modulus of z less than r is convergent. So the value of z equal to 2i is convergent. And next you substitute the value for z equal to minus 2i, then you find it is convergent or divergent. Then you can find it is divergent or convergent. In next video we solve many other problems in radius of convergence. Thanks for watching video.